Hey, bravo, bravo.
That's what happens. When it's right down the middle, you get a
That's
split.
you can't. You gotta have to go for
No, I got a whole bike. Wow, I somehow got there. Yeah, I don't even know. I don't even know. Yeah. It's not going well, I'm telling you. It's too much to the left. I hope that's true. Oh. I got it. I need a strike because you could still win.
I don't know. I'm not gonna worry about if I win or not.
I think this might be my last attempt because I could be wrong, but let's see. I got the strike. You missed it. I don't know if you even saw it.
I got it. Right. No, I didn't even see it.
That was good. That was right down. That was right there. Back to back, same thing. I have to do this again, hopefully.
There you go.
Three in a row. This is crazy. This is ridiculous. It's the same thing every time. How many times have I done that now? Oh. What the freak? This is ridiculous. Oh wow, I didn't think so, but okay. Oh, thanks.
1
It's every time. It doesn't fail. And imagine how many strikes I would have had if those all would have went. This is insane. It's always one. I don't know. What do I got to do? What else do I got to do?
Again! Oh my God! He's got so many knives.
This is going to be crazy. To see this on video.
Yeah. Stand where I stand. I should show you who goes. Bed up, bed up. There you go. Now listen to me. Bed up, bed up. See? You listen to me, you're getting there. Even though I feel you. But that's good exercise. Oh, you did it! You did it!
Oh my goodness, this is ridiculous. This is insane. I've never seen anything like this.
Take it home. Put it on your shelf.
What? What is? No, I'll probably miss it. What? Right down the middle.
Got it. Good.
You see what I mean? This is insane. If I go a little bit more to the left. I know it. It was a little bit too much. Wow, we got the same thing. got like 150. I didn't do today. I didn't do so good.
I know.
Oh, you.
I got that.
Oh, nice.
What did I tell you?
Oh well, I guess this is it. I guess this is it. One last. Yeah, double at the end. Oh, and it doesn't even count. Oh, of course, now I get the double when it doesn't count. Oh, watch it go in between. Oh, I almost had that. That would have been insane.
If Mike was here, he would have the pins flying out of the damn thing.
What the freak? Oh my goodness.